Ekele m ụmụnne m niile nke nọ n'ala Biafra. Ekele m onye ukwu, ekele m onye nta. Ekele mmadụ niile nke nọ na grupu a. Biko, onye nwetara ozi a, gwa nwanne ya. Ifugo Monde ọzọ na-abịa. Ihe unu hụrụ n'Imo steeti bụ obere ihe. Nke na-abịa ka aka. Ihe niile anyị ga-ahụ ụbọchị ahụ ga-abụ ozu. Ịchọkwa ịnwa gaa nwaa. Very soon, ndị politician niile nọ n'ala Biafra ga-agba ọsọ. Ha ga-agba ọsọ, ha ga-agbafuo because ndị a bụ ndị bụ our problem. Ha na-aga ikwu ndị youth ụgwọ. Why ha kwụbeghị ndị na-arụ ọrụ salary ha? Onye mara ihe na-abịa ya ọ ga-akwado onwe ya. Kwado onwe gị n'onwe ihe na-abịa. Ihe ahụ bịacha Biafra ga-abata. A ga-erelease our leader. Ọ dịghị ihe ga-eme ya. Mana m na-asị onye nwere ntị ya ọ nụrụ ihe m na-ekwu n'abalị a. Anyị nwa nọ n'ime ọhịa na-ata afụfụ, unu nọrọ na-ehi ụra, unu amaghị ihe na-aga. Unu amaghị na ndị Fulani agbaala unu okirikiri. Mana m na-arịọ gị n'abalị a, zisa ozi a nye ụmụnne anyị niile na platform niile. N'ikuku na-abịa iku ka afọ ike ọkụkụ. Ndị politishan anyị niile ga-agba ọsọ. Ekele m unu, ndị Royal House. Udo dịrị unu. Okike ga-agọzi unu niile nke kwere na Maazị Nnamdi Okwu Kanu ka o wee zọpụta anyị n'ahụhụ a nke anyị nọ na Naịjirịa. Mmadụ niile nke na-echere ya ọnwụ ga-anwụ. Mmadụ niile nke na-echere ya ndụ ga-adị ndụ hụ Biafra anya. Ise.
Yes, my beautiful brothers and sisters, Biafrans, lovers of freedom, you are welcome back. You've heard what our brother One Nine Woke just said, which I'm gonna like to touch one or two things there. But as well, he spoke in our dialect, Igbo. And I know a lot of people, a lot of my fans here, some of us do not really understand Igbo. But I would like you to go and ask, if you have Igbo friends, man, you ask question. But I would like to, touch one or two things there he said. But not all I will say. This is mainly for my fans, my subscribers. Like I said, we have, I have so many diverse of people from different states, even countries as well, outside Nigeria, within Africa and Europe as well, which I would like to explain one or two things. The sit-at-home order is still on. You've all known that I've made series of videos what the Southeast governors are planning to do, to give money to the youth for them to go and protest against the sit-at-home order, to disrupt, to deceive people like they normally do. They want to, do anything humanly possible to stop this every Monday sit-at-home ghost. They call it Ghost Monday, in fact. And as well, he also sent message to politicians out there. Nkeka Bishop. You see? And this one of the person, these people that are, saying the whole thing the way it goes. You can hear he say, we are in the bush, making sure that everything is okay, is in order and all that. And also sending message to saboteurs, sending message to informants, sending message to those people that are against Biafra, that are against this sit-at-home order, Ghost Monday sit-at-home. So, and they have said this Monday that have just started, the Ghost Monday that just started, that one, sorry, that one is just, a typifies bug, if I may use that word. Okay, that's in Nkiruka. Nkiruka. The one that is in front is bigger than the one that just happened. So what I want to say, I use this platform as well. I have put video there where I have explained to you what the governors, Southeast governors, are planning to do. In fact, they've started it now, going out, giving youth money, trying to tell them that they should, people that have businesses in Biafra land should go about their normal businesses and open shops and all that. Like I said to you before, the Southeast governors are now in pressure. They are in pressure to make sure that this thing doesn't repeat again, because there's federal government, Buhari-led government, has given them ultimatum to make sure that this sit at home every Monday will not happen again. The one that just happened, let it be the last one. So the the Southeast governors, they are really, really in a tight corner to make sure that this sit at home doesn't happen. Like I keep saying it, I made a series of videos about that. So if you've heard our brother that just said something now, that this Monday on adoku na aka na ntị ka m so n'Igbo, ndị Igbo anaghị adọrọ na aka na ntị. Onye nwekwere nwanne ma o nwere ụmụnne ma o nwere ndị enyi, friends, my relation, please advise them. Let them take this advice. It's always what we say every time and all that. Some people take it serious, some people don't. You've seen what happened last Monday. Some people were really if you've listened to this his statement, this Monday coming now, Monday now, or how many days? So 4 days from now, 5 days from now, sit at home is still in place, and maybe news will come again that the sit at home has cancelled, or there's this, and the people, and remember that, like I said, the governors, Southeast governors, are planning to do solidarity movement to stop the sit at home order. Please ignore anything that is coming from those Janjaweed people. Ignore any information, anything concerning sit at home council. I will be the first person to announce it here, and you will hear it as well in other platforms. But as it is now, like we said, DOS has said it, and that's the way it will stand. Sit at home will continue. It will continue as long as it takes, unless Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is out, unless they release him from detention, unless the DSS release Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. That's the only thing, or the only way sit at home will stop Monday. So every time we keep talking about this, because some people, like we said, some of us, when this kind of stubborn head, so now they have given a warning. That's why I put that voicemail there, because it was sent to me. So I said, okay, let me share it as well and add my own. I know I have made series of videos concerning the sit at home order, because this is the main thing at this moment in time now in Biafra land, and we have to make sure that we will be relating this information every time, every day, every minute, every hour. We're not going to change on this information. We're not going to change on this information. We'll be saying it as long it takes us. So now, what I'm trying to say is this: people should obey the order. People should listen to to this what do you call it? The voice message you've just heard about the sit at home, and what other any evil plan that people that want to hijack the sit at home order, which I have made videos, like I said before. People are trying to hijack it. People are trying to stop the sit at home. People are trying to make sure that they deceive people in any way or form. They are trying their best to stop sit at home. But good thing, we are strong. We're going to be strong this time around, and we will focus. So this is where I'm going to stop. Thank you guys for listening. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you and God bless you all. Bye.